welcome back to my channel. I hope it is good better watching this video. Today we'll be making an origami dinosaur using no scissors, no glue, no cutting, just a piece of paper. And without further ado, let's get started. And before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications. And without further ado, let's get started. So guys, for this I'm going to be using an A4 sheet, and in that, first of all, you're supposed to fold it how I'm showing it in the video, and you're going to use a ruler and cut off the excess. Just like I'm showing. And if you are not comfortable with rulers, you can use scissors or any other way to cut the excess. After you're going to get this folds, you're going to do these two folds diagonally inside the paper. After that, you're going to flip it, and now you're going to do horizontal lines. Just like this, how I'm showing it in the video. Now after that's done, it's going to be looking something like this. Now if you flip it and if you try to grab the edges, it's gonna come something like this. It's gonna come in this shape. So you're supposed to do that with both sides. So after doing that, you're gonna get a square shape. So you're gonna be using that square shape a lot. So what you're gonna do is basically you're supposed to use that square shape and do this. You're gonna fold the edges just like that. Now you should do the same with the other side. Now you're gonna get this kind of thing on the paper, and after that you're just supposed to take it, and the flap on the top, that's gonna be the most important part. You're just gonna take it, and after that you're gonna fold it both ways so that it's bendy. After, you're gonna open the two flaps on one side just like this, and there are gonna be two layers. So you're going to open one layer and fold it just like this, like a boat. It's going to come something looking like a boat, so you're just going to fold that just like this. It's going to be a little tricky, but it's easy. There, perfect. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing with the other side. One side's going to be a little messy and the other is going to be perfect. So just make sure that it doesn't need to be perfect, because those are going to be the hidden parts of the dinosaur. And after doing that, you're going to get these two flaps, and it's going to look something like this. Make sure that both of those from both sides are aligned. So after that, you're gonna close one up, and you're gonna get this flap, right? You're gonna flip it, and this is gonna be the head part. You're gonna just fold it so that it touches the middle line, and after, you're gonna fold this one diagonally completely, just like this. And after that, you're just gonna unfold it back, and you can just do this with the paper. You have to fold it inwards. It's gonna look something like this. It's gonna be a little tricky, but it's okay. You guys can do it. And also, don't forget to try this out and tell me in the comments how it is. And if you really like it, like the video. So afterwards, you're gonna be taking that and you're gonna fold the whole thing in half. So I'm gonna be showing it again. So this part is there, right? It's gonna be like this at starting. So next, you're gonna be taking that chest part and putting it in. Just like this. You're gonna be like tucking it in. Next, that is gonna be the head part. You're gonna take it and you're basically gonna just fold it so that it makes a head-like shape. Now afterwards, fold it the other side too, and after, you don't want your head to be one-sided, so you're gonna open it up a little bit and make it like flip it. So after you flip it, it's gonna look something like this. The head is gonna be like all sides, just like this. And next, you don't want your dinosaur's nose to be pointy, right? So we're gonna be making the dinosaur's mouth a little bit flat. So you're just gonna fold it both sides and tuck it inwards, just like this. Ta-da! Next, the 3 flaps at the end, we're gonna be making legs and a tail with that. So you're just gonna fold it so that all are the equal length. The legs only fold 2, because dinosaurs don't have 3 legs. So after you fold them, they're gonna look something like this. And the tail at the end is gonna be, you don't need to do anything with the tail, just leave it alone. It's gonna just stick out just like that, okay? Next, you're gonna fold some of the leg parts. If you really want it to stand really good or really well, you really want it to stand, you can do this. If you don't want it to stand that properly, you can do something else. You can just take it and fold it. See? Just like this. And if you, then you have to, this is not that simple to stand, so you're gonna take it off and you're just gonna fold the chest parts so that it stays secure and inwards. Just like this. And now if you try to flip it again, which is the right side, it's gonna stand a little bit. Well, if you really want it to stand, that's gonna be a little bit tricky, and so that's why it's best we're gonna be doing a normal thing. So our